Hello guys, welcome back to the development channel. Today I am going to share one video that is how to integrate OpenTelemetry for the Node.js. So we have to ensure that your OpenTelemetry collector is running and configured to export traces to your chosen backend, like for example, Zipkin, Prometheus, Grafana, Jabber. To install OpenTelemetry packages, we must check configure OpenTelemetry in your application first. Then you can start the SDK and link it to your application and run and monitor your application. This step setup will automatically instrument your Node.js application by capturing traces and sending them to your specified backend. So for this integration, we required Ubuntu 24.04 LTS SSS access, and we must install Node.js and npm on your machine. These are the following steps. I will execute one by one and show you how it will be work. So first of all, we required one pre-tier instance. So I have started this and installed all npm and Node.js setup here, and it's working fine now. Just check with this. Now we have to follow these steps and perform the integrity part with Node.js. So we have to we have a present directory name with example dot site. So as you can see, um, just wait. Went to the directory first. Yes, I'm on my directory, which we have to perform the activity. Now, we have to initiate your npm with the help of this command. So I'm using this and execute this command. So this code is present inside the package .json file. Now we have to install dependencies, express dependency with the help of this command. We have a TypeScript and one more JavaScript. So I'm using here Java TypeScript mode. Just executing this one. Yes, we have created a new TS config JSON here, and the content for this target is module state and etc. So 12 packages are finding here, and 30 packages are have been added here. So these this this is the uh, data present inside it. Now we have to create one file with the app.ts extension. Just creating one file here. Add the code. Save this. Now we have to run the application with the following. So we have to execute the above file with the help of this command. Yes. file has been executed successfully. If we are checking for the URL, then it it will be working fine. Now we have to open the this URL on in the web interface and check what happening what happens with this. So if I am going to web interface and paste this, copy the public IP of the instance here. Yes, we have successfully rolled out the process here. If I am refreshing again and again, the number will be changed. So hence the rolled as process has been successfully uh, working here. And most important part we have to execute is we have to integrate OpenTelemetry for the Node.js. First of all, we have to install Node.js, Node SDK, and Auto instrumentation package here. So Node SDK let you initialize OpenTelemetry for several configuration defaults and that are correct for the majority of the use cases. So in instrumentation node packages, we have to install instrumentation libraries that will automatically create span corresponding to the code and that code called libraries. So in this case, it provides instrumentation for Express. So we have to execute this and check for the instrumentation node here. Just executing this one. Sorry, just a minute. What's wrong here? If I am executing this one, it gives matrix traces in and instrumentation node, auto instrumentation node related to the Node.js. Uh, it takes few seconds to execute. Yes, we have zero vulnerabilities here. 20 packages added here, and 157 packages has been added. So now we have to set up and configure must be run before your application code. So first of all, we have to create one instrumentation.ts file. So TS is the extension of TypeScript here. Creating one file here, adding the code. So this one, we have saved this, and now we have to execute or run your application as you are normally did or done. But you can use hyphen require flag to load the instrumentation before application code. So I'm executing this command. Okay, let's check the code once again. What happened with this? Okay, I have not saved this. Just again paste the code. execute this command here. Yes, we have successfully added the code here, and we found traces and matrix here. If we are looking at the output is in term is like that. So trace ID will be there, trace state will be the name, time, and more distributes are there. So just I we have to check with the this URL. Checking the URL. Yes. Copying the public IP of the instance, space here. The roll dice process is working or not. We check. Yes, we have successfully rolled dice and integrate OpenTelemetry with Node.js. We have successfully worked here. So if I'm refreshing again and again, the number will be changed. In this way, we have to integrate OpenTelemetry with Node.js, and these are the steps to as if you want to check installation of Node.js and npm, you can check my last video. This uploaded on the DevOps channel. So thank you guys. Thank you.